Welcome to Carousel Boutique, where every garment is chic, unique, and magnifique. Sapphire Shores! The Pony of Pop!
Good afternoon, Miss Rarity.
You know my name.
Well, of course I do, darling. I make it a point to know all of the up-and-coming designers, and Clothes Horse magazine simply raved about you.
Oh, my stars. If I'm dreaming, do not wake me up. How may I help you, Miss Shores?
Oh, please, call me Sapphire.
How may I help you, Sapphire?
Well, as I'm sure you know, I'll be touring all of Equestria with my latest concert, Sapphire Shores Zig Philly Follies. So I need to look sensational. Ow!
I have just what you need. Sapphire Shores, prepare yourself for the pièce de résistance de la haute couture. I used every last diamond I found on this one garment.
And it is spectacular. I'll take it.
Really?
Oh, yes, and 5 more, each done up in a different jewel.
Beg pardon?
Costume changes.
Oh.
Yes, I do have that effect on ponies.
My little pony, my little pony. Ah, my little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be. My little pony. Until you all shared its magic with me. Big adventure, tons of fun. A beautiful heart, faithful and strong. Sharing kindness, it's an easy feat. And magic makes it all complete. You have mine. Did you know you're all my very best friends?
Oh my gosh! Sapphire Shores! The Pony of Pop! She is awesome! I mean, she's gorgeous and talented and not even half the pony you are. I mean, you're 10 times more gorgeous and talented and...
Spike, a lady is never jealous.
Of course not. But were you totally flipping out or what?
Ladies do not flip out, Spike. However, I was quite in awe. I need to find more jewels than ever before to decorate her costumes. Oh, aha!
Did you find some?
Yes, Spike, right there!
Ooh. You look so delicious.
Spike! I promised I'd give you gems to snack on, but we need to collect more first, or I'll never be able to make these outfits for Sapphire.
I will miss you, my sweets.
Come along, Spike. We have many jewels to find.
At your service, my lady.
Spike? You've been very patient today, Spike, and for that, you get the finest reward. This is from me to you. Is something wrong, Spike?
No. It's perfect.
Ooh, bring the card, Spike. There are more over here.
For me. From Rarity.
Yes, gems, gems, precious gems. He is the gem hunter. With him, we can have all those gems and more. Let's get the dragon.
Spike, where are you?
Wait, who is that?
You know, it's terrible to keep a lady waiting.
Coming!
I think we're really going to strike gold this time, so to speak. Jackpot!
Oh, it's not the dragon we want. It's the pony.
Well, Spike, Spike, I think that's all we can do for today. And these will certainly get me well on my way with Sapphire's outfit. Why don't we start heading... Oh! What's this? Another jewel! Oh, strange. It's in the trees. Good day, gentle fellow. I am Rarity, and this is my friend Spike. And you are...
A diamond dog.
Oh, really? Oh, well, that explains your fine taste in jewelry. I mean, I know that diamonds are a girl's best friend, and now I know that they're a dog's best friend, too. So, you're out hunting for gems as well?
Yes, we hunt.
We?
We hunt for gems, but you are a better hunter, so now we hunt for you.
Run, Rarity, run!
No.
Spike! Come on! Hurry!
Gotcha.
Got him, Rarity! I got him!
No. Sorry, scaly one.
Well, wait! Rarity, unhand me this instant, you ruffians! Stop! Put me down, you nuts! You brutes! Rarity!
Spike! Ah! Don't!
Where?
Spike, can you breathe now?
Yes. I think so.
Good. Now tell us what you know. Yeah, because all you said earlier was...
Ah! Rarity, woods, jewels, dogs, holes, taken, saver! Not a whole lot to go on there, sport. Sorry, Rarity and I were in the woods looking for jewels when these creepy guys showed up.
Creepy guys?
They called themselves the Diamond Dogs. They grabbed Rarity and disappeared down a hole in the ground.
Well, this sounds mighty easy. Just take us to that there hole and we'll save Rarity.
Holy moly, that's a lot of holies! Come on, girls. Let's get started. Hello? Quick! We gotta get down one before they're all filled up! Oh my! Oh! Oh!
Ah! We can't muscle through it.
We'll see about that!
Heavens to Betsy. Now, I'm used to picking myself up and dusting myself off, but Rarity won't even touch mud unless it's imported.
Oh, Rarity. Oh, woe is me! Whatever shall I do? Ah! Dirt! Dirt! Get away, dirt! Oh, make it stop! Make it stop! Ah! Filthy, disgusting dirt! It stings! It burns! Help! Oh, some pony, save me! Save me!
We gotta save her.
But they blocked up all the holes.
Don't mean we can't dig them out. Come on!
Get him! All those scary monsters popping up everywhere. Oh, poor Rarity must be terrified.
Give me the baubles. Give me the beads. Where are the trinkets? Where is the treasure?
Oh! gonna do?
I got it! I'll save you, my sweet!
Huh?